You आफै गर्नुहोस्. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. You आफै गर्नुहोस्. Do it yourself. मलाई सहयोग गर्नुहोस्. Help me please. Help me please. कृपया मलाई सहयोग गर्नुहोस्. Help me please. तिमीलाई थाहा हुनुपर्छ. You should know. You should know. तिमीलाई थाहा हुनुपर्छ. You should know. यो आफै कोसिस गर्नुहोस्. Try it yourself. Try it yourself. यो आफै कोसिस गर्नुहोस्. Try it yourself. अहिले ऊ धेरै व्यस्त छ. He is very busy now. He is very busy now. ऊ अहिले धेरै व्यस्त छ. He is very busy now. म हजुरलाई राम्रोसँग चिन्छु. I know you very well. I know you very well. म हजुरलाई राम्रोसँग चिन्छु. I know you very well. यो पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. Try it again. Try it again. यो पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. Try it again. तपाईं यो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can do it. You can do it. तपाईं यो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can do it. यो अहिले नै गर्नुहोस्. Do it right now. Do it right now. यो अहिले नै गर्नुहोस्. Do it right now. मलाई रिस नउठाउनुस्. Don't anger me. Don't anger me. मलाई रिस नउठाउनुस्. Don't anger me. त्यो कहाँ छ? Where is that? Where is that? त्यो कहाँ छ? Where is that? छिटो गर्नुहोस्. Do it soon. Do it soon. छिटो गर्नुहोस् अथवा यो छिटो गर्नुहोस्. Do it soon. तपाईं यो पहिले गर्नुहोस्. You do it first. You do it first. तपाईं यो पहिले गर्नुहोस्. त्यो कहाँ छ? Where is that? Where is that? त्यो कहाँ छ? Where is that? यो यहाँ छ. It is here. It is here. यो यहाँ छ. It is here. यो पछि गर्नुहोस्. Do it later. Do it later. यो पछि गर्नुहोस्. Do it later. ख्याल राख्नुहोस्. Take care. Take care. ख्याल राख्नुहोस्. Take care. आफ्नो ख्याल राख्नु. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. आफ्नो ख्याल राख्नुहोस्. Take care of yourself. त्यो जतासुकै छ. It is everywhere. It is everywhere. त्यो जतासुकै छ. It is everywhere. त्यो कतै छैन. It is nowhere. It is nowhere. त्यो कतै छैन. It is nowhere. सबै कुराको ख्याल राख्नु. Take care of everything. Take care of everything. सबै कुराको ख्याल राख्नुहोस्. Take care of everything. सोच्नुहोस् र गर्नुहोस्. Think and do it. Think and do it. सोच्नुहोस् र गर्नुहोस्. Think and do it. चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्. Don't worry. Don't worry. चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्. Don't worry. कुनै कुराको चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about anything. कुनै कुराको बारेमा चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्. Don't worry about anything. म सबै कुरा सम्हाल्नेछु. I will handle everything. I will handle everything. म सबै कुरा सम्हाल्नेछु. I will handle everything. आफ्नो ओछ्यान मिलाऊ. Make your bed. Make your bed. आफ्नो ओछ्यान मिलाऊ. Make your bed. आफ्नो मुख धो. Wash your face. Wash your face. आफ्नो मुख धो. Wash your face. आफ्नो दाँत माझ. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. आफ्नो दाँत माझ. Brush your teeth. मुख खुला गर. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. मुख खुला गर. Rinse your mouth. नुहाउनुहोस्. Take a bath. Take a bath. नुहाउनुहोस्. Take a bath or take a shower. Take a shower पनि हुन्छ है त. Take a bath or take a shower. नुहाउनुहोस्. खाना राम्रै चपाऊ. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. खाना राम्रोसँग चपाऊ. Chew your food well. ऊ धेरै गफाडी छ. He is very talkative. He is very talkative. ऊ धेरै गफाडी छ. He is very talkative. ऊ जोइतिङ रहेछ he is hand pegged he is hand pegged ऊ जोइतिङ रहेछ he is hand pegged म केही पनि दिने छैन I will not give anything I will not give anything म केही पनि दिने छैन I will not give anything मेरो कसम खानुस् swear on me swear on me मेरो कसम खानुस् swear on me के तपाईँ ठट्टा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ Are you kidding Are you kidding के तपाईँ ठट्टा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ Are you kidding अथवा Are you joking पनि हुन्छ है त Are you joking के तपाईँ ठट्टा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ Are you joking यो सजिलो छ It is easy It is easy यो सजिलो छ It is easy तपाईँ गजबको देखिनुहुन्छ You look amazing You look amazing तपाईँ गजबको देखिनुहुन्छ You look amazing तपाईँ राम्रो देखिनुहुन्छ You look nice You look nice तपाईँ राम्रो देखिनुहुन्छ You look nice यो ठिक छ It is fine It is fine यो ठिक छ It is fine यो ठिक छैन It is not fine It is not fine यो ठिक छैन It is not fine तपाईलाई के भयो What happened to you What happened to you तपाईलाई के भयो What happened to you तपाईलाई सन्चो छैन जस्तो देखिन्छ You looks like you are not well You looks like you are not well तपाईलाई सन्चो छैन जस्तो देखिन्छ You looks like you are not well तपाईले आराम गर्नुपर्छ You should take rest You should take rest तपाईले आराम गर्नुपर्छ You should take rest यो कसरी भयो How did it happen How did it happen यो कसरी भयो How did it happen यो गल्तीले भयो It happened by mistake It happened by mistake यो गल्तीले भयो It happened by mistake तिमी गल्तीहरू किन गरिरहन्छौ Why do you keep making mistake Why do you keep making mistake तिमी गल्तीहरू किन गरिरहन्छौ Why do you keep making mistake के यो भयो अथवा के यो सकियो Is it done Is it done के यो भयो अथवा सकियो Is it done यसमा समय लाग्नेछ It will take time It will take time यसमा समय लाग्नेछ It will take time कति समय लाग्नेछ How long will it take How long will it take कति समय लाग्नेछ How long will it take अब धेरै समय लाग्ने छैन It won't take too long now It won't take too long now अब धेरै समय लाग्ने छैन It won't take too long के तपाईँ मसँग सहमत हुनुहुन्छ Are you agree with me Are you agree with me के तपाईँ मसँग सहमत हुनुहुन्छ